tinies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I am literally 4'10", and on a good day I am 4'11". But you guys do not need to know how tall I am. So with that being said, as you guys can see, I am naked, like on my face. Can you tell? Yeah. So we're gonna be doing a review, first impression review on this brow styling soap. I got it from Amazon. It was only $2.99. So on the back it actually tells you how to use it, because this is going to be my first time trying this product. I have never tried any of this brow scoping soap type thing, never. So this is how it comes in. It comes with a spoolie kind of up here, and with a little, I think it's like how to use type thing. Yeah, how to use little piece of paper, and a bendable spoolie, which is pretty neat, you know, not many people have this. And you open this up by sliding it. The Wet n Wild Rose. We're just gonna spray on here. And like I said, I've never used a brow type thing, so it will be we will be doing this together. Okay. Let me get this mirror up. Okay, so I actually had plucked my brows already, which they look pretty decent, pretty equal to each other, so we'll do with that. And it says coat it thoroughly, so we're gonna coat it all around. See how that works. Okay, so and it says flicker upwards, so let's give it a shot. Alright, so we would have to get this hair out of the way. I do have some stingy hair over here that does not want to flicker up. Okay, so I'm gonna use the back to kind of just like spread it out a little bit. Hopefully like set it down. Oh, that works. Okay, so then I don't like the whole like feather type brow, so I am gonna go around and kind of brush it a little bit, you know. Ooh, I like that. So I'll go in again, just kind of like making sure everything is nice and set. Okay, can you guys tell the difference? This one seems more fuller as well, so I do like it a lot. I might have to be doing this every time, just kind of like a get ready and let's go type thing. So now let's go ahead and do the same to the other one. Alrighty, so that's how that looks, guys. I don't know, can you guys tell? So I actually really like it. My brows do seem a little bit more fuller. I really enjoy it. I will go back and I will try and fill it out a little bit just to kind of make it look better using my e.l.f. pomade, brow pomade, with an angled brush. Just kind of like fill out the spots that need to be taken care of. So we're just gonna go in and we're gonna just like fill it in a little bit. So that's how that looks, a little bit filled in, which is actually really cute. I really like it a lot. All right, so that's how that looks, guys. So I'm gonna actually clean it up as well, just because, you know, we want it to look good. So I will be back once I'm done cleaning it up. All right, my tinies, so I am back. I am done cleaning them up. This is how they look, just cleaned up and filled, you know, just a regular, you know, cute, simple, quick, fill it in and let's go type of brow. I actually really like it. I mean, it's my first time trying this out, so with that being said, I'm not an expert at like completely going like boom boom done, but I do really like them. I love how they turned out. Literally, it's super easy, but once you get the hang of it, I feel like you can go like snap, let's go out the door. They're very pretty. I will have to say, if you guys do not have that much brow, then it might be a little bit hard, but you can always go in and kind of like flicker out, make some lines to make your brows look fuller. I do tend to have a bit more of a fuller brow, as you guys saw in the video, but I really do like how they turned out. So if you guys want to get this little product right here, I will have a link down below so you guys can check it out. It is $2.99 and I actually received it within, I want to say, about 2 days. Prime, I have Prime, so yeah, if you have Prime, within 2 days, but $2.99. All right, my tinies, so that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget, before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you guys are subscribed, and hit the bell next to it so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And thank you for watching, my tinies. Bye.